Come here for a minute. I want to show you something that we haven't seen in days. Actually, two things we haven't seen in days. Blue sky and the sun. I could already feel it. This is going to be a perfect day for the Riverwalk in San Antonio tonight before we leave tomorrow. That's one of the things that was highly recommended to us. So we're going to do that around sunset tonight when the sun's going down, so the light should be nice. There's a really nice touristy Mexican place that everybody likes to go to, so we're probably going to do that too. So I'm feeling it. This is going to be good. This is going to be good. Looks like that water's hot.
Today we are in the Pearl District, specifically to eat some barbecue and drink some beer at the granary. But first, we're gonna walk around a bit.
That's right. Look at this huge parking lot, and it's all free.
Much different than near the Alamo.
That is impressive.
That is a big parking lot.
And I get to be in shorts and a t-shirt.
Because it's nice out today. Okay, let's go see the Pearl District. The CIA is here. The Culinary Institutes of America. So you see student chefs walking around.
This is an eggnog ale. Doesn't really taste like eggnog, but it's so smooth. Really good.
Pineapple cider for me.
Looks good. May I? That's good.
And like we planned it, we're heading into the Hotel Emma, which our new friends, Nate and Jamie at For Life Adventures, told us we had to come see this hotel, which is attached to the brewery we're just in. I mean, look at this. Look at that bar.
Take a look at what that says. It's German. I took German in high school. It's been a while. But I think this says, welcome friend, and then something like you're our one and only friend or something along those lines. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments if you know German. I think that's what that says. No promises.
Okay, enough exploring. Time for some barbecue.
time for food.
Which is why we came here to start with. I'm excited.
Me too.
First Texas barbecue in the state.
That's right. We waited a whole week.
More to come.
Absolutely. Let's just say that we coined the hashtag sensually delectable on Instagram.
For this place.
For this place.
And
this
the pastrami rib.
Far the best barbecue I've ever had. And Texas is full of these places. Full of them.
And we're gonna do more. But this is the first time we've ever seen a pastrami rib, which is only here on Tuesdays.
It feels like you're really close to me. Am I in focus?
You are.
Okay, good. Yeah, that pastrami was amazing. I loved it. It's on the bone. I've never had pastrami on the bone. So good.
Now we'll head back to Girls and then go do the Riverwalk tonight.
We may have saved our dogs a little piece of pastrami. Come on, they're rescues. They had a hard life before they met us, so let's spoil them a little bit, right?
First stop on the Riverwalk, Casa Rio, oldest establishment on the river, known by their umbrellas. Steve's mom told us that she remembers this place, and so we decided we should come and get some margaritas and sit by the river before it gets too crazy.
These margaritas are uber sweet, by the way. Even for me. I have the sweet tooth. So we just ducked into Casa Rio for an appetizer and a drink because we were told the atmosphere was good, and sure enough, it was.
Yes, it's awesome to sit right under the umbrellas by the river and watch the boat tours go by.
That's right. The food was kind of mediocre. We've easily had better Mexican, to be honest with you. But it was cool to sit there right by the water. And the pigeons, man, when you get up from the table, if you leave something on your plate, they are on it.
They are, yeah.
These guys know how to eat.
So now we're just gonna walk around the Riverwalk and maybe stop somewhere else and get another appetizer in a little bit.
We'll see what happens.
And just see what's out here, yeah?
All right, let's go. So along the Riverwalk, there's a lot of like hotels and shops and a few restaurants. It's a little pricey because you're along the river and this is a tourist area, but it's still cool to see. And at night they do this light up thing.
Only this month.
Only this month?
Yeah, for I think Chinese New Year maybe. They have a Lanterns Festival, so we're gonna see if we can see that at 7.
And naturally, you have to have a lock bridge. Boom.
Right by the courthouse wedding chapel. Oldest bar in the Riverwalk area, and apparently the longest wooden bar top in all of Texas.
What are you doing? You have your phone out. What are you doing?
Texting a friend who bought these cocktails. Look how cute this is.
It is very pretty.
And we managed to get here in time for happy hour still, because they have happy hour till 7 on weekdays. That's good.
And what we've come back to see, the lantern boats.
back home at the Airstream.
That was fun.
It was. We had a good time walking around, seeing the lights. So many things on the Riverwalk. We didn't even really get to explore all of it.
Yeah, very little. But from what we did explore, I could see that being a happening place.
Fun to do.
Yes.
And we'll be back next time we're in
Lots of
San
places
Antonio.
around there to eat.
Yeah.
Yes, lots of places. Lots of shops.
So now we're gonna walk puppies one last time and go to bed. And tomorrow we are moving to Harvest Host here in San Antonio. So one more day.
Woot woot.
Yeah, only like a 10-minute drive. Moving day tomorrow.
Yes. Very short moving day.
Yeah. But we will show you where we're going in the next video. Night, guys. Bye.
Let's do it.
Say bye-bye.
Pups are waiting to go. Lead the way. Lead the way.